If you're struggling to how to set up your Apple Pay, well, this video will walk you through exactly what you need to do to get everything set up so you can be ready for your next purchase in store. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do when setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone is you need to go to your settings, and then from settings you're gonna go down, scroll down to where you see wallet and Apple Pay. So right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and select that, and then right here you can see I already have my debit cards and credit cards already added in there. But what you're gonna need to do is you will select add card right here, and then you want to also select what type of card, if it's a debit card or a credit card. So you're going to select that option, and then you're going to do continue, and then here it's going to give you the option to either scan your card or you can manually enter it if you click here. So you would enter in the card, and then once you enter the card in, it's gonna go ahead and send you a one-time code from your creditor, whether it's your bank or the credit card company, and then once you go ahead and put that one-time code, that will authenticate your Apple Pay. So once you've added the credit or debit card, you're gonna need to, if you've added more than one card and you want to select the main card that you want to be able to use when using Apple Pay, you're going to need to again go to settings and then go to wallet and Apple Pay, and here scroll down until you see default card. So right here, as you can see, my default card is Apple Card, but you can select any card, or debit card, and then once you do that you'll see a blue check next to it, and that'll be your default card. So once you've selected which card to be used as default, it's time for step 3, which is basically launching your Apple Pay when you're ready to pay at the store. So what you're going to want to do is you want to tap this side button right here twice, and that should bring up your card. So in my case it's Apple Card, and it will ask for your Touch ID, Face ID, or passcode before you can go ahead and authenticate the transaction. Once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and tap your phone onto the card reader to finish the transaction. So guys, there you have it. In just few steps, you can also set up your Apple Pay on your iPhone. So with that, hope you enjoyed watching this quick tutorial. If you haven't already done so, please remember to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. And as always, see you on the next one.